Hello guys, this is me Shoidullah Kaiser. I want to say something you go to Guana, and there are two versions English speaking here. One is American style and another is British, and those who are live in American they just want to called Guana and go to called Guana, and this is the different way. Another way is grandmother and grandfather, and they just try to say grandpa and grandma, also granny, and this is the main difference. English new version, and you must be changes and you must be changes your speech very attractive to say granny, grandpa, grandma, and also wana, guana. This is the new version style, and you will be a smart speaker. So you should use the new version English vocabularies and pronunciation. Thank you very much.